Ujor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Habaya day bat kajingdawa banweng yaw MLA kaseng NPP u Thomas Sangma naki komiti beper po Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ nakaleng ulampang ke Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ uba medba lengdo ulaong ba nakaleng kejong Shim kano karai ka bakerki habaya day bat kani shu ulaong ru ba nakaleng kejong Shim layo kano kejing Ujor lajno tang ke Shithi balapa da Iwei naki member jong ke Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ban dawan banweng no yaw Thomas naki komiti beper hapo ke Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ.
I think the honourable member who had sent me a letter for the removal of his membership in two assembly committees, the Public Undertaking Committee and the Public Accounts Committee. For me, I am examining the matter, and I feel that I should not rush in taking decisions. Keeping in mind the nature of the case which have been filed, and as you are all aware that today we have seen in the media reports that the complainant would like to withdraw the FIR. But since the matter and the government has forwarded the case to the court, so I think the court only will look into that and see what will be done in the days to come. So from my side, we have just seen it in the media reports about the FIR which has been filed. So no such kind of complaints which has come to me, except a letter which has come from one of the honourable members of the House for his removal from the committees of the assembly committees.